Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into the review of the YUNZII B75 Pro wireless mechanical keyboard, remember that the link to purchase this product at a discount is pinned in the first comment below, so be sure to check it out for the best deal. The YUNZII B75 Pro is a 75 layout mechanical keyboard that perfectly balances compactness and functionality. It features 82 keycaps, including number keys, function keys, and arrow keys, making it a versatile option for both gaming and office use. One standout feature is the multifunctional knob, which allows you to quickly adjust volume and RGB lighting effects. A long press on the knob even lets you switch between gaming and office modes, adding a layer of convenience rarely seen in keyboards of this size. Built with a gasket mount design and 5 layers of padding, this keyboard offers excellent noise cancellation and a premium typing experience. The double-shot keycaps and precision-tuned stabilizers contribute to a solid and satisfying keystroke feel. The pre-lubricated creamy linear switches, known as milk switches in this model, deliver a smooth, quiet, and responsive typing experience, ideal for users who prefer a soft yet tactile feedback. Connectivity options are plentiful with tri-mode support, Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and wired Type-C connection. The built-in 4,000 mAh battery ensures long-lasting use without frequent recharging, which is great for both work and gaming sessions. Additionally, the hot-swappable sockets provide flexibility to customize or replace switches without soldering, catering to enthusiasts who want to tailor their typing feel. Pros of the YUNZII B75 Pro include its compact yet functional layout, the handy multimedia knob, excellent build quality with gasket mount design, versatile connectivity options, and hot-swappable switches. The creamy pre-lubed milk switches enhance comfort and reduce noise, making it suitable for shared environments. On the downside, while the 75 layout is compact, it might take some time to get used to for those accustomed to full-size keyboards. Also, the pink color and milk switches may not appeal to everyone's aesthetic or typing preference. Overall, the YUNZII B75 Pro wireless mechanical keyboard is a well-rounded, stylish, and highly functional keyboard that caters to gamers, professionals, and keyboard enthusiasts alike. Don't forget, the link to grab this keyboard at a discount is pinned in the first comment below. Check it out before you go.